Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Sudoku not launching or loading in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So basically, Sudoku, a puzzle game, requires you to place numbers from 1 to 9. And some reported Microsoft Sudoku not launching. Sometimes when clicking the Sudoku icon, the first screen appears but never go ahead or load applications. And then I'll show you how to resolve that. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung apps. At dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung installed apps. And dito lang sa installed apps at dito sa search apps ay kailangan lang natin i-type dito yung Microsoft Sudoku. Ayan, so type mo lang yan at makikita mo kaagad dito. Alright, so dito lang sa right side makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots, so click mo lang yan. And select mo lang dito yung advanced option. And dito sa advanced options, scroll down. At dito lang sa reset ay kailangan lang natin itong i-repair and reset. Alright? So if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. And then i-click mo lang dito yung repair. At wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. Ayan. So makita mo dito complete na yung repair process. And if this app still isn't working right, and then i-click mo lang dito yung reset. And then pop up itong notifications. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. I-click mo lang dito yung reset at wait natin ma-complete ang reset process. Okay, so makita mo dito na complete na yung reset procedure, and other solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin yan at dito lang ulit sa search menu. At dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung system configurations. Ayan. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung system configurations, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then pop up itong system configurations. Ang next step ay dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung services tab. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa services tab at dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung hide all Microsoft services. So i-tick mo lang tong box. And dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung disable all. Alright, so once na-click mo na yan, and then dito lang ulit sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung start up. So click mo lang yan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open task manager. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa start up apps, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin itong i-disable. Okay? So makikita mo dito yung mga enabled. So kailangan mo lang select yan and then right click. And then i-click mo lang dito yung disabled. Alright? So isa-isahin mo lahat ng apps dito ay kailangan i-disable lang. So after dito, then close mo lang. At close lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa start menu. At kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Sudoku not launching or loading in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.